Like, I can just draw before just badly enough, and I can just dance in the past as well. But how can I not draw today? Like in the 2025, like in 2025 and 2026. Today is 2026. How can I still dance if I don't just if I don't just dance? How can I dance in the past already, bro? How can I draw in the past? I can just draw in the past super badly. So some of them are private because I need like privacy for something very like sometimes I get some super nervy, like not nervy, like nervy, and I can't even just that's the nervy, the no sound, like nervy, I'm nervy, like the no sound. And I'm gonna clean my cards, so I will make it humana, okay? I mean done. Okay, bye. I need to just clean this first. I need to just off. Okay, done. Okay, oh. Okay, do you see the cards? Okay, we're gonna put that there. Okay, it's not done completely yet. I can do this every day. I can just do it every day, and I can even dance or something. Like I was laggy and something like. Why? Why, guys? Why can I draw, but I can't dance? It has no reason. I don't know how to